Good morning. Today we are going to discuss about salts and the family of salts. There are different type of salts and which belong to different families of salts. Salts having same positive or negative radicals are said to belong to a family. Like sodium chloride, that is NaCl, and sodium sulfate, that is Na2SO4. These are the salts of sodium family. Then another sodium chloride, that is NaCl, and potassium chloride, that is KCl. These salts are the salts of chloride family, or you can say chloride salts. Now, what is the pH of salts? Suppose you have collected different salts, NaCl, KCl, and like this many other salts. First, what you have to do to find out the pH of the salts, first you have to dissolve them in water and check their solubility in water. After that, you need to check these solutions on litmus paper and find out the pH using a pH paper. After that, record the results, which salts are acidic, which are basic, and which are neutral. So this is how you can find out the pH of your salts. Salts of strong acid and strong base are neutral. What is the meaning of neutral here? Salts of strong acid and salts of strong base are neutral, which are having a pH in the range of 7. Salts of strong acid and weak base are said to be acidic, as they have pH less than 7. And the salts of a weak acid and strong base are basic because they have pH greater than 7. Do you know how salt is formed? Salt is formed when HCl, that is hydrochloric acid, react with NaOH solution, that is sodium hydroxide solution. When these both combine together or react together, they will form NaCl, that is sodium chloride or salt. So this is how salt is formed. How common salt is a raw material for different chemicals. Common salt, that is NaCl, that is sodium chloride, is a raw material for different chemicals. What are the different chemicals for which common salt is a raw material? Such as sodium hydroxide. Second, baking soda. Third one, washing soda. Fourth one, bleaching powder. So next we are going to discuss one by one in detail. So how sodium hydroxide, that is NaOH, is formed? Sodium hydroxide is formed when the molecules of NaCl react with water molecules and electricity is passed through this brine solution, then it decomposes to form NaOH, that is sodium hydroxide, and release of chlorine and hydrogen gas also takes place. The formation of sodium hydroxide and chlorine gas release is this process is called the chlor-alkali process. Why this is called the chlor-alkali process? Here the released chlorine gas is the chlor and the formation of sodium hydroxide is the alkali. That's why this process is also called as the chlor-alkali process. The liberated chlorine gas is takes place at anode and hydrogen gas will liberate at cathode electrode, and formation of sodium hydroxide takes place at the near cathode. So this is how sodium hydroxide formation takes place. Now how bleaching powder is formed, that is CaOCl2. When slaked lime CaOH twice reacts with chlorine, then formation of product CaOCl2, that is bleaching powder, takes place plus water molecule. Now what are the different uses of bleaching powder? Bleaching powder is used for a number of purposes. It is used in textile industries for bleaching cotton and linen. It is used for bleaching wood pulp. It is also used for bleaching washed clothes in laundry. Also, it is used as an oxidizing agent in various chemical industries. And it is used in drinking water by making it free from germs. So, bleaching powder is having a number of uses. So now we will study what is baking soda. Baking soda, you might have heard this name. It is used for making tasty crispies, pakoda in the kitchen, and it is also used for faster cooking. Now how it is formed? When NaCl combines with water, carbon dioxide plus ammonia, then the formation of product ammonium chloride, that is NH4Cl plus sodium hydrogen carbonate takes place. This is the baking soda, sodium hydrogen carbonate. When this sodium hydrogen carbonate further heated, then there is formation of sodium carbonate takes place. That is Na2CO3 plus water plus carbon dioxide. Now what are the common uses of baking soda? Baking soda has a number of uses. It is used for making baking powder. Also, it is used as an ingredient in antacids because of its alkaline nature, as it neutralizes excess acid in stomach and reliefs from stomach pain. So, it is used as an ingredient in antacids. Also, it is used in soda acid fire extinguishers. Washing soda. What is washing soda? How it is formed? When sodium carbonate Na2CO3 reacts with water, then formation of washing soda Na2CO3 then H2O takes place. Now, what are the different uses of washing soda? Washing soda is used in glass, paper and soap industries. It is also used for the manufacture of sodium compounds such as borax. It is used to remove permanent hardness of water, and in the last it is used as a cleaning agent also.